Well, this has left the club absolutely devastated. All the hard work for the last few years just gone. All because certain individuals decided that it was okay to come in and turn our track upside down. Why? Don't know. Some people have nothing better to do. It'd be fun to come up and just turn the place upside down. For no reason, only just to be horrible. Just to be, what, hooligans? Vandalisms. What kick did it get out of destroying this place like? And the most heartbreaking thing of all is this: our pride and joy, our race control. Why would somebody think this was fun? Why would people think this was okay to do this damage? I don't know. We just don't understand it. And to burn out our hut at the gate as well, I just don't get it.